This just might be the easiest way to own a summer home in Port Elgin. Welcome to this stunning 2023 Lyle model built by Conquest, located in Port Elgin Estates. And honestly, this one is way bigger and nicer than you'd expect. Inside, you've got a bright, open concept layout with a modern kitchen, spacious living area, and plenty of room to entertain. With comfortable bedrooms, a stylish bathroom, and all the finishes you'd expect from a 2023 model, it feels more like home than a traditional seasonal getaway. And the best part, come for the weekend, stay for the summer, and enjoy everything Port Elgin has to offer. So if you've been thinking about purchasing a piece of paradise, this one deserves a look.